Hey guys, Brian Perisho, and today I'm going to talk about the secrets to building a profitable business. I've got some notes on here so that I can reference what is going on, but man, there's a lot of changes going on in the world online right now. It's really kind of crazy if you think about it. A lot of things are changing in the way people are marketing online. Things change every day, but let's talk about the framework on how you can have a successful business online, specifically with using social media. All right, so there's 7 steps here I'm going to cover. Number one, you got to get the education. So you have to learn about digital marketing to know how to become a digital marketer online. So you have to get the training, you have to get the knowledge, you have to get some form of course to teach you how to do that. And I'm going to share that here with you in a minute, how you can learn how to be a digital marketer. Number two, you got to pick your niche. For me, I'm in the learn how to make money online niche. There are so many people on a regular basis that hit me up and say, hey, Brian, how do you make money online? How are you doing this? How do you get in front of people? How do you make these videos like this? How do you make short form videos? So that's the niche that I picked because it seems to be a super strong niche right now because of the economy and things that are going on. Everybody's looking for extra money to be able to make ends meet. I mean, I saw a TikTok yesterday that said people nowadays need $11,400 more per year to buy the exact same stuff that they did last year. And that's for a family of 4. So I don't know about you, but as a career firefighter, I didn't get that kind of raise last year. So I also am online to earn extra money in the digital marketing world to be able to supplement just the things I did last year. And then, my wife and I are going on a cruise in August to Alaska, bucket list. So that's expensive. Air flight, hotels, extra stuff you want to do. Everything costs money. So that's exactly why I picked this niche, because there are so many people looking to make money online or just to start a business. Then you need to decide what you're going to sell. Well, I need to sell education. Online has now become the e-learning world is what college used to be, and it's so much cheaper. I mean, you can start with me for $497. And I say start, that's everything. That's all it costs for you to get started and to build your business. There's no monthly fees. There's no administration fees. There's no upsells. It's $497, 200 plus videos, 5 huge sections. I think there's like 28 modules inside that will teach you exactly step to step how to become a digital marketer, how to launch your digital marketing business, how to create your own product should you choose to do that, how to become an affiliate marketer if you'd like to do that. And the difference between digital marketing and affiliate marketing is with digital marketing, you either sell someone else's product like I do, or you make your own product to sell, but you get to keep 100% of the commission with that. Affiliate marketing is you're also selling someone else's product, but then you get a cut. So let's say it's $100 for the digital marketing product, and you sell that and you make 80% commission, then you would make $80 of that cut, and the company that made the product would get 20%. They're both great models for making money online, especially earning extra money. So what I sell is an e-learning course. Like I said, $497. You can get the information by going to goprowithbrian.com, goprowithbrian.com, and you can get all the details there. Enter in your email name and your address, and it will take you to the page. It will explain exactly what's inside of it, how it's helped me, and all that great stuff. Number 4, you need to set up 24/7, 365 automation to get paid. Now, we give you that automation with this course, which is super awesome. We use a system called systeme.io, and it is free for up to 2,000 email contacts. And then after that, I think it's $27 a month. I don't even have to pay for mine yet. I'm not to that point. Getting there as my list grows, but I can send unlimited emails to 2,000 contacts per month. It also does all the automatic follow-up for you once someone opts in. So that email or that URL that I gave you, the goprowithbrian.com, that is hosted there. And what happens there is you put in your email and you hit submit, and then it takes you to the next page, which is a sales page, which is automated for me. So if you do that right now, or you do it at 3 o'clock in the morning, or you do it when I'm out on a run at the firehouse, it doesn't need me because the system is already set up. It's automated and it does everything for you. It automates the follow-up, and then we'll follow up on the email series based on what I've put in there, and we give you that also. And it will also then take you to the sales page and then more information down the road for, the things that we are sharing with you to show you exactly how to set this system up and build it. Number 5, you have to choose your social media platform. Now, this video, if you're watching this, this is a long form video that I'm putting up on YouTube. I really like YouTube in the fact that it works for me for a very long time. And YouTube likes to push out my content based on keyword research that people do. So when someone searches for, how to have a business online or the secrets to building a successful business online, YouTube's going to show them this content because I put it up there and I've put the words inside of there and I've given the valuable content for them to show. And so um, I like the fact that YouTube will do that 10 years from now if someone's looking for that exact keyword or looking for something similar to that. So that's what I like about that. Now, there are other great social media platforms out there too. Instagram, TikTok. TikTok is great for these short little lives. Now you have to have 1,000 followers before you can do lives, but lives, they push out in front of people that you don't know. It's called the For You page. And so you can do lives every day and get new people that you've never talked to before that can come in and actually watch your live and share the information. I could do the same video that I'm doing now in the same format, in essence, on a live and just talk to people, and then I can also read what's going on there. Now, I'll have comments on here, so if you like something on here, there's something that has interested you, you have other questions, please comment on here, and I will answer those for you in a video. That also helps me grow my valuable content because I'm answering questions that people are asking. So that's what you need to do when you decide to use a social media platform. I recommend that you choose one initially, get good at that, get successful at that, start having sales with that, and then you can move on from there and you can repurpose what you're doing. But for me, I really like YouTube, so that's the one I use. Number six, create content to get discovered daily. So like I said on YouTube, my video will go out every day when people are looking. It will get pushed as soon as I post it. And it is always there for people when they're looking for answers to their questions. So that's what I love about YouTube and I love about content. Now, the important thing is here, you need to make valuable content. You need to make content that answers the questions for people that they're looking for. It also builds know, like, and trust. So then, you may not know me. Let's say your name is Jim and you don't know Brian here, and you found my information, and then you might start binge feeding on my information and go to another video that they're going to offer to you, and then another video, and then you're going to get to know that I know what I'm talking about with what I'm doing. I'm here to help people. You build know, like, and trust in me. Then you decide to purchase the course, and then you're going to learn, and we're going to build a relationship, and that's all done through social media. More specifically for what I'm doing here today is through YouTube. And then number 7, serve and sell. Like I just said, you're here to serve people with your content. We are here to help people answer the questions that they're having, whether it be with online marketing, relationships. It just depends upon what your niche is, but we are here to serve. And then we're all on here to make money. That's the whole point. We don't do this just because we have dead time and have nothing else to do. Man, my schedule is so busy sometimes. It's a struggle for me to get videos out sometimes. But, we're here to make a living online by helping other people succeed. Now, let me talk about the power of one real quick. This is very specific for building a successful business online or offline. Power of one. One niche. So you need to decide what your niche is. Once again, my niche is helping people make money online, helping people who are looking to get started making money, whether it be online, offline. I focus mostly online. Pick one product. So some of these people that I see online, especially on TikTok, have a store in the back of their LinkedIn profile that has 50 different things listed. People just become confused. They have no idea what to do when there's so many things listed. So pick one product. My product is $497. One time it teaches you everything A to Z, nuts to bolts on exactly how to become a marketer online, more specifically a digital marketer, how to start with affiliate marketing, how to become successful, how to get in front of people, how to do content. It teaches you all that stuff. One product. I'm not promoting a bunch of other things. One system. My system is an automated system like I talked about before. The system teaches you or actually follows up for you. We teach you how to set your system up. Excuse me. We teach you exactly how to set this system up for free, and then it will follow up for you automatically every day. No questions asked, rain or shine. If it's snowing outside, if you're not available to answer for yourself, the system does it automatically for you. It will also get the content in front of them for the sales page and things like that, so that they can make a informed decision on when they want to purchase. Also, my system collects the payment and it puts it directly into my bank account and then fulfills the order. So when someone decides they want to purchase, they click on the button, say, yes, Brian, I want to purchase. They put their charge card number in. We also have Klarna and Afterpay, so we have payment options for people too if they can't afford to do the $497 all up front. And so then that system collects that payment for me. It will send that immediately to my account or my credit card account in essence, and then send it to my bank account. But also as soon as it does that, it sends the information on exactly how you can get access to the product that you just purchased. So it's all automated. And then you pick one platform. And like I said, I'm on YouTube. You're watching this on YouTube. This is my one platform that I focus on primarily. Pick one platform, become very successful at that before you venture on, because if not, you're just going to be going everywhere. You're not going to be able to get content good at one place. So we focus on that. And then I always say, give it 1 year. The power of 1 year. Don't quit on yourself. So many people quit. I've done it before. I've quit or moved on to something else before I found my success because I didn't have the patience. I sometimes get shiny object syndrome, or, hey, look, there's a squirrel, and chase that. So the power of one niche, one product, one system, one platform, and 1 year. I hope this has been helpful to you, for you, to you. If you have found value in this, please share, like, and comment. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm putting up content on a regular basis. I do pre-recorded content like this. I also do lives on a regular basis so that you can get more information. Like I said, if you have any questions or something you'd like me to cover, please put a comment in there and I will answer that via probably a video for you. And you can get all the details on how to get started with us and learning how to become a successful digital marketer. You also, if you decide to join now, I have a bonus. We have a mentoring group that my personal mentor has agreed to give all the people that decide to join with me full access for the rest of 2024, and I think she's going to go through 2025, which is just phenomenal. That is above and beyond what comes inside the product. The product is great. It's course type technology. It's videos. It's written text. But what's so great about the mentorship group is on a regular basis we do live mentorship webinars so that you can actually ask questions live and we'll answer those for you. 𝗙𝗂𝗹𝗶-Brian.com is how you get the information. I hope to see you on my channel very soon, and have a great day.